What's going on, everybody? Tom here with Keto Lifestyle, and today we are doing a review of the Keto Brick. Now, these Keto Bricks are made by Keto Savage. He has a YouTube channel here. I'm going to go ahead and link it in the description below. A lot of information there, but these bricks have been really hard to get our hands on, so they must be great. Haven't tried them yet. This is the first bag. I actually ordered 7 of them because you can order 1, 7, or 14. I was going to order the 14 just for cost efficiency, but they sold out. So like I said, if you guys are interested in these things, get your name on that waiting list, and as soon as they go for sale, you've pretty much got 5 to 10 minutes to buy them. But without anything else, let's try this thing. So first things first, I look at the ingredients. This brick is 1,000 calories. Of those 1,000 calories, there's 90 grams of fat, let's see, 4 net carbs, and 21 grams of protein. So not bad at all. I'm actually going to put this whole nutrition label right here since you can't see it. I'm going to put it real big on the screen for you right now. But now, let's tear into this package and see what it looks like. So the sticker here doesn't tear very easily, but that's alright. Alright, we got it. So now that the bag is open, this is what your brick is going to look like. Now, I can feel through the bags. Of the 7 I ordered, this is the only one with the wristband on it. So it seems like you get 1 wristband per order, not per brick, which is totally fine by me. I don't need 7 wristbands. So let's go ahead and pull this off. And why not just put it on? Stylish, right? Anyway, so here's what the brick looks like. It looks like it's just wrapped in aluminum foil, so we'll go ahead and open it up. And voila, this is what we're left with. Now, one thing that's a little surprising to me is I actually expected it to be denser and heavier. Like, it's pretty dense, but it's not quite as heavy as I was expecting. Also, you can see mine's got a little bit of kind of shrinkage marks in there. This was shipped in the middle of summer, and I live in Las Vegas, so the heat was pretty bad, and it didn't really melt. I can see a little bit where it kind of got soft and the wristband compressed it a little bit, but in terms of like durability through the mail, it seems great. But now let's give it a taste test. Now, the first thing I noticed is that it is a little bit crumbly. So as you break through it, it kind of just becomes a powder almost. And then when you chew on it, it kind of reconstitutes into like a mush, like you would expect when you eat a bar. And it has a very, very strong coffee taste. Like, yes, I can taste some chocolate, and there's a little bit of sweetness at the end, but it comes through as more of like almost like a frappuccino or something like that. There's a coffee taste, but there's also some chocolatey sweetness to it, which is actually fantastic. I think it's great. Now, the one thing that I wish these bars actually had was some way of breaking them, because this is pretty hard to eat as is, and I don't feel like pulling out a knife to cut it. But it is pretty good for what it is. Now, let me take a bite out of it again just to get a second taste. That was a much bigger bite, but that's all right. Still absolutely great. You do get a little bit of the oiliness on your tongue from, I think it's the cocoa butter, but it tastes great, guys. This bar is fantastic. And in terms of like keto on the go, when I'm on motorcycle trips or anything like that, I plan on stuffing these in my bags because they seem to be stable at moderately high temperatures. The macros are great, the calories are great, they taste fantastic. And also, the people that make them are awesome. They actually send a little note with everyone you buy thanking you for the order, and it's hand signed. It's really just a great company. They are just getting started, so coming across these bricks is becoming a little bit hard. It took me 3 big launches to actually get my hands on them because it's just the 2 of them and maybe a couple friends making them right now. They don't have a large scale production. So the website's ketobrick.com. I'm going to go and leave it in the description. My only concern with it is that it's a little bit hard to eat because of the size of it, and that's okay. You can chop it up, you can cut it, but I'm just thinking if I'm backpacking, running around, I'm going to have issues kind of separating this. So in terms of keto products, I'm going to go and give this thing a 9 out of 10. The only reason that I'm not going to give it a perfect 10 out of 10 at the current moment is because the availability is really kind of hard to get your hands on. and that's for previously mentioned reasons. Once these things become available, I can see myself buying these in bulk and taking like half a brick for lunch or things like that, especially in terms of road trips. Because snacks on road trips can be hard, you gotta stock up ahead of time. This is actually just gonna be a fantastic way to go. So for those of you waiting on Keto Brick or trying really hard to get your hands on them, I really recommend you keep trying because these things are awesome. If you have not heard of them before, check them out. Links in the description. I have no affiliation with them, but they do make a killer product. But with that, guys, I will see you in the next one. If you have not subscribed yet, go and hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, leave it a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section.